Exciting breakthrough for patients on obesity medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, Zepbound, and Mounjaro. Introducing Biocare, the game-changing meal replacement designed specifically for those using GLP-1 medications. Biocare isn't just another shake, it's a comprehensive nutritional solution that addresses the unique challenges faced by patients on these medications. With its proprietary blend of ingredients, Biocare helps reduce common side effects like nausea and bloating, while providing essential nutrients that may be lacking due to reduced food intake. It's packed with 20 grams of protein to preserve muscle mass, 26 bioavailable vitamins and minerals, and a blend of healthy fats for heart and brain health. Plus, it supports digestive health with probiotics and prebiotic fibers. Don't just lose weight. Thrive on your journey with Biocare. Ask Dr. Amir about incorporating Biocare into your personalized weight loss plan today.